Okay, going to scare the boys. They're hanging out in a tree fort. They have no idea I'm out here. Here's what we're gonna use to scare them. Let's set the phone up in the window. They won't know what's going on.